We're here, Scottsdale, Arizona, to investigate one of the weirdest, if not the weirdest, UFO abductions in U.S. history. I'm here with the abductee, Natalie Gonzalez. Natalie, is that you?
I'm scared to say.
Night after night, day after day, she thinks about these creatures. What we've got to do is investigate. Natalie, have you been taken aboard the craft?
Multiple times. Almost every night.
Do they hurt you? Do they do anything crazy to you?
I have incisions. Everywhere.
Have you ever tried to take your dog?
Oh, I would pray they don't take her. She's all I have.
What we've done, we're doing a stakeout tonight. She thinks he'll be back. This is the night we make contact with aliens.